Hey guys, back with another video here, and today I will be making a fridge. So, to make a fridge, you basically it's just going to be like a really tall building, so, yeah. That can be the width, and then, so basically I'm just going to stack this up right here, and then just make it look like a fridge. And I'll probably just use structural beams to make the fridge door. Okay, that looks like a pretty good fridge height. Put that all the way in. Oh my god, why is it doing this? Okay. Yeah, keep it all the way down. Okay. That's gonna be the fridge, and then like I said, we can get the structural beams right here for a fridge door. Maybe like right here. I kind of want it more at the top. Over here can be like the freezer, and then like over there can be the just fridge. Okay, so let's put this into metal, if I can find it. I think it's somewhere around here. I think it's like down here or something. Yeah, I think it's like it. Okay, well it's not loading, so I keep clicking the wrong one. Of course, when I need the metal, I can't find it. Because I find metal so quick. And it is not all the way down here. Now I have to search it up because I can't find it. Okay, that looks like a good fridge color right there. Let's just do the whole thing. Okay. And then, okay, it was right there. No way, bro, I clicked right there. It was not there. Yeah. This game gets annoying sometimes. Okay, so I'm thinking about we just make the door on the side. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna make the doorknob black so then I can see it on the side. I mean, you can still see it without it, but just do it so I can actually see it better. I will make another video of me doing the inside because it's gonna be a pretty big building. I mean, there's 3 floors. What if I made an apartment? That'd kind of be cool. Okay. I'm making like the wires. Yeah, I should make a big generator. Let's make a big generator right here. It powers the whole fridge. Let's go with like a, I'm thinking the fabric with like black kind of looks good for like a wire. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, maybe we should get a basic shape and like do the, yeah, okay. I'm gonna use this basic shape right here to like put it onto the wall because I don't want it to be the full wall. See, like I don't want it all the way up there. So we're gonna have to custom this and put one right there. And then we can just resize this one to fit right there. Okay. And then right here, I'm thinking maybe we go with like definitely go with a metal, but we kind of go with like a smoky gray, not like completely black. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, we have a whole generator. Okay. That's a pretty good color for a generator. This little tiny thing powers the whole home. Okay, where's that power box? I need that power thing. This. Okay. I need to put one like right there. And one right there. And let me recolor them so you can see them better. A ghost gray looks good. And I know it looks like just like a block, so that's why we're gonna go in with a basic or like a structural beam to make it look a lot nicer. Okay. Alright, that looks better. I'm thinking about we put a decal on the top of it, you know, so like it like looks like a generator. Okay, but instead of doing that for now, let's make a path from the generator, I guess. I don't want it to be like too wide. I think that's why I'm just gonna put a floor right there. And oh my god, I haven't used this in years. The path thing. It actually does kind of look good for builds. Like I might actually use this more often now. Cause it's not that bad for builds. I mean, yeah, it is kind of janky with the system, but it's not bad. Okay. Yeah, we can just go ahead and grab like a dirt pile right here to fill that up, to get rid of that jagged corner. And then of course we color all of this with this color. I'm gonna make like the inside color later for another video, and I'm gonna probably make it blue. This looks weird. Okay. Let's just put a basic, or wait, no, we should put a floor for like a roof to make it look like it's on a stand kind of thing. But actually, we probably shouldn't do the back because, well, it's going to interfere with the back part because there's a basic shape in like the generator and it looks weird. Okay. That looks pretty good. It definitely looks like it's on a stand. And I'm thinking about making this concrete, I think. I think concrete looks pretty good because it kind of looked weird just on the grass. Okay, and then concrete right there. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good for a stand. I mean, I can find the door pretty easily because it'll just be right there, but yeah, okay. And actually, let me get a structural beam and put it right here so it covers up the color. I'm pretty broke right now, so I'm trying to limit on what I do. I mean, I know I can go work, but I don't want to work right now. And I should take that back. I kind of need to make this color a little bit darker. Okay. Yeah, okay, like put another one right here. Okay, and then we can put, let's go with like a huge one, you know? And then this one can just go off to the side. Off to the side right there. Okay. And then maybe we'll make it a little bit lighter, you know? Okay, I'm just going to right here. Generator, and then the top. Okay. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the build, and then tomorrow I can come back and finish the inside if you guys want me to. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, but let's go tour. Well, there's nothing really to tour, but I should probably go work after this, to be honest, because I'm really poor. Okay, it's like, I don't even have any lights on, so I can't even like turn it on or off. Because I think there's like a tube thing. And then, yeah. That's gonna be it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I don't know what he's doing. He's just looking at the build. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to watch the next video because I might build something different, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!